All right, y'all, good morning. Welcome back. We are getting ready to do our second top here. Look, check it out. We undressed everything this morning, and it is just pristine. Look at that. It's turned out stunning. So we're in love with it. Just beautiful. The edge work. So what I want to show you here in this other room, we already took this lower part off. Tom's sitting here, so here's how we're going to go about this. Okay, let me turn this on here. There you go, so it light up. So what we've got is we've got 4 stands. We use this a lot of times for 16-foot long trims and, you know, things of that nature. But we've got these stands under here, and here's an easy way to get all this picture perfect. We've got one of our big 36-inch clamps. We've reversed it to the floor here. So go ahead, Tom, whenever you're ready. This is the low end, just so you know. Here, hold on. Let me get a better angle there. There you go. Go ahead. We're at 4, 3. You're almost there, bro. Perfect. Right there. There you go. So now we're going to pull that up to there. Okay, and then you can see the space right there, a little bit right there. So what we're going to do now is what Tom's doing, is bring all these up. That's going to stay right where we had it, hopefully. There you go, Doc. All right, so now we're good and level. We'll remove the clamp there, and we're going to adjust this one to make it correct. But we just wanted to show you on the front side of how we're going about that. We laid plastic out first, put our roller stands right underneath it here, and we started out without the top on. We took the digital level and a 6.5-foot level, laid it on these two, got those two level, and then slid those out to this one, to that one, got all those predominantly level, set our top on here. That's when we noticed it was 0.07, 0.06, and then we figured out that this was the low end, that was the high side, so then it just made life easy. Jack up this side, put that back to right, and now we're going to adjust this one, and we're going to be ready to move forward here. Okay, so look, you guys, we got the long side level. You all already seen that. We've already got our plastic rolled in. We've got 2x6s in wood all the way around. And now our last problem here, as you can see, 0.08. So same method. We're in the middle back here, and we're going to lift the whole thing. Right there. Yep. So every time you let go, you know, you got that aftermath, as we call it. There we go. All right, now we're perfect. And in lifting, look, all our gaps are right here on the right side. You can see the daylight right there. So lifting it this way did not move us off our lines. So now we're just going to shim this dead space right here in all 4 of these, and then we're level that way, and we're level long ways, and we'll be ready to rock. All right, you guys, look, we got it situated now. That way. Spot on. So everything's gold. We're all prepped up, ready to go. Let's get started with our flood coat. All right, so there it is. We are taped up. Look, let me show you with your tape. We got the wide tape, just like I showed you before. Take that center line, push your finger, and then roll that under. That way anything that comes and hits, it's gonna hit and get stuck right there until we pull that tape. So it's the wider roll, and it's about halfway up past the back wall there, and that's all the way around. So this is our front edge, and that's where it makes that turn and hits the bar. That little section there was that notch out, and that's the back underneath that other top, and then of course that butts to that side wall. So here's the pigments, okay? This is our blue Maui. Look at that guy. Okay, and we haven't decided yet, but we've got blue metallic and we've got light blue metallic. I'll put them kind of next to each other. And then look. So they're all different. I think we're only going to use two. We haven't decided yet which two, but we're digging this. We like that light. We already know how that's going to turn out. That blue metallic is gorgeous too. So it's still up in the air. We're still trying to figure that part of it out, but we are ready to go. So be sure and tune in for the next one. Be our flood coat. We'll see you back as always.